kids, and welcome back to another video with Edu-Fun Box. Can you guess what we could be doing in this video today? That's right, we are going to be making our very own binoculars. So we're going to make our own binoculars together, and these binoculars are going to be used in a lot of activities in our box too, our wild animal safari box. Now I'm so excited to get ready to make these binoculars, so let's see what we need. The first thing you're going to need for your binoculars can be found in your work pack. Okay, and your work pack looks like this. Okay, and this is box 2's work pack, and remember you can put this pack into your folders that you received in box 1. Now let's see what we're going to need out of our work pack. We're going to need our week 1 let's make our own binoculars worksheet, and it looks like this. Okay, and this has our instructions and our guidelines, and has the things that we're going to need to make our own binoculars. So I'm going to put that over here, and then let's see what else we need. On our list it says that we need 2 pieces of colored paper, glue, stickers and crayons, and our string. Now where do you think we could find these things? That's right, we can find them in our boxes. So open up your boxes and let's get these things out. So I'm going to call them out one by one. We need first our 2 pieces of colored paper. I have 2 pieces of paper, and my paper is pink. I really like this color. So I've got my paper, I'm going to put that there. The next thing we need to find, number 2, the second thing we need to find is our glue. Now you can also find these in your boxes. So see if you can find your glue. I found my glue. Okay, so we've got our glue. Next we need stickers and your crayons. So look for 2 things when you're going to look for 2 things when you're going into your box now. Look for your stickers and your crayons. Let's go. I found my stickers and I found my crayons. So I've got those 2 things. And last, I need the string. Now, let me see if I can find it. Yes, I can find it. I have found my string, and I've got some red string. Okay. Now, let's see how we're going to make our binoculars. Let's take a look at step 1. Step 1 says we need to decorate our 2 pieces of paper with our crayons and our stickers. So let's start decorating. Step number 2. Get 1 piece of paper and roll it into a cylinder shape. So you're going to turn it over. It's easier to turn it over, and we're going to roll it like this. Roll, 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 roll. And then you're going to glue this side over here so that it sticks together. Okay, can you see it's making a cylinder shape, a circle shape? So we're going to take that. We're going to take our glue. I think you might need a little bit of glue. Okay, and then we're going to stick it. And you can tap, tap, tap. If you need, you can tap it down here a bit. Tap, 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 tap. And then you can make it round again. Okay, so we have our first part of our binocular. Okay, our first circle. Now we're going to repeat this step with our other piece of paper. Next, step 3. We need to put these 2 circles, these 2 cylinder shapes together. Okay, and we're going to do that with the use of our glue. So we're going to put it down the middle, and it's better to do it on both sides so they stick. So do it down the middle, and then we're going to stick them together like this. Okay, and then they should stay together. There we go. And there we go. We've got our binoculars. The last step is attaching our string to the top of our cylinders, and we're going to need to use our glue, and we're going to put our glue here on the top side over here. Then put your string in. Okay, put your string, and then There we go. We have our string for our binoculars. Now we're ready to go and explore the rest of our box. I hope you enjoy, and I can't wait for you to see all the animals and some footprints in our boxes. Enjoy!